Hi everybody, this is Connie at the West Regional Library, and today we're doing a video for this week's Adult Grab and Go, which is a beaded bookmark. So the beaded bookmark will look something like this, and you'll be able to put it around your book, and the beads will lay along the side of your books like this. So the kids are really small this week because it's not a lot involved, and this should be an easy but fun craft to do. So inside of your bag, you're gonna have a sheet with instructions. You're also gonna have 2 pieces of stretchy cord, and then you will have an assortment of beads. And this is an autumn themed, so all of the beads are autumn themed colors. And you also are gonna have a couple of these cute little fall leaf charms, if you can see that. They are in different colors. So everybody should have got 2 of these in 2 different colors. Okay, so we're gonna put our beaded bookmark together. So you guys will have your stretchy cord and your beads and your charms. So we did try to make it so that whatever beads you got, you could make your bookmark symmetrical. So you'll have 1 odd bead. So all the other beads you should have an even number of, but you'll have 1 odd bead, and that bead should be whatever is in the center. So I'm using this really cute green one here. So I'm going to run my string through, and that's going to be the center of my bookmark. And then from there, I'm just going to build around it with symmetrical beads. So I have these little chocolate pearl-like ones. So I'm going to do 1 on the left side and 1 on the right side. And if you want to, you can actually upload your finished products onto our Facebook page so everyone can see what you did. So far, this is what I have. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my leaf charms right here because I think they're really cute. So I have a green leaf, oops. And I have a little red leaf. You know, I know they sell those fancy little bead mats, they call them. So whenever you're doing beading work, your beads don't roll away. I do not have that. So I'm just trying to be careful as I can. All right. So this is what we have. It's really pretty, and actually it could be a bracelet if you wanted it to be. So in order to make sure that your beads don't slide off or slide all around, I like to do a triple knot at the end here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around my finger, and I'm just gonna make a knot in here with this stretchy cord. And I'm gonna pass the cord through here 3 times. All right. And so when I pull it tight, I'm gonna have a knot right here. You can see that. And it's gonna be big enough so that my beads aren't gonna fall off. Okay? And then you'll just do the same thing on the next side. So my beads will not fall off. Okay, and then once you have it and you have it all set, and then you just need to tie these 2 ends together, and then you'll be ready to use this as a bookmark. And I'm gonna double knot this as well. And I'm gonna pull tight. All right, and now you're ready to use this as a bookmark. All right, so we finished our bookmarks, and I just happen to have a book. So I'm just gonna show you how to use it. So when you're reading your book and you have it open like this, just take your bookmark and slide it around the edge of the book. And voila! So you have a beaded bookmark that looks really cute. So thank you guys all for participating today and for joining us in our library programs. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.